Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for tuning into another 31 Days of Eyeshadow palettes here with me on my channel. In today's video, Smashbox is up next. This is the Cover Shot LA Glow Eye Palette, which basically has some neutral, very basic beige neutral shadows, but this is perfect for work or just everyday type of moments where you don't want to be extra. Again, I'm doing a no lash look. I'm giving my eyelashes a little bit of a break because filming these looks every day with lashes have put a lot of stress on my little lashes here, so I'm giving them a little rest, but feel free to add lashes to whatever looks you like. Okay, so one thing to know about this palette is the mirror is poo, like literally poo. So I'm using another mirror to do this look because it's just so cloudy. The first shade that I'm going to go in with my Morphe M535 is the shade Nude, which is this beige shade right here. And I'm just going to put that in my transition zone. I'm taking my M503 into the shade Espresso, and I'm going to put that all over my crease. Now, I don't know why every brown shade got to be called Cocoa or Espresso, but with my Morphe M124 brush, I'm dipping into the shade Marzipan, which is this very light shade, and I'm just going to put that on the lid. Last, I'm going to be putting some eyeliner on. I'm going to use the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner in because I'm black, and I'm also going to be using my MAC Loves Riri Extended Play Mascara to coat the lower and upper lash, and then we shall be back. Okay, so here is the final look. Thank you guys so much for tuning in again. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel and you have that notification bell clicked so that you can be notified each and every time that I post a video here on my channel. Also, like this video if you like these simple type of no lash neutral beige looks. Leave me comments down below, and I will see you guys as always next video.